Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Watch Shenshen's video channel. Well, this video title actually I was sort of debating with myself which one is better. Well, so that's the reason why I gave this title, how can I make a YouTube video, or can I make a YouTube video? Because I believe a lot of you guys, maybe you are a big fan of YouTube and you want to upload your videos and you may question yourself, can I make it, or how can I make it? Actually, it's so easy to make it. Number one, you just need a web camera. Well, any kinds of camera. Could be a video camera, could be a web camera from your laptop, could be your iPad, could be even your cell phone. If it can work on that, no problem. So just simple like that. You don't need to be professional. You don't need to know something like high-tech these things. Like me, I'm not professional, I'm not the expert, but so far I've uploaded about 65 videos already, talking different area. For instance, like my internet business I'm doing right now, like the travel advice, because I was working as an English tour guide in China about 10 years. So I share a lot of travel advice, travel tips, information, and also have a lot of cosmetic reviews videos talking about those things, whatever I like, and also some of my personal story things. You are very much welcome to watch those things, no problem. So it's actually quite easy and simple. You truly need to encourage yourselves to step forward and just make the first one, and then consistently to do it and to build up your own confidence. And when you practice it and talk more, then you'll behave much more natural and much more relaxed. Just do whatever you feel like and be yourself. Don't pretend to be anybody else. Don't fake up your personality, because people love to see something real. For instance, like those reality TV shows, why they are so popular among the people? They are just real people from real life, right? Because they're telling you the true thing happening in their life. And why those people, for most of the people, upload their videos on this YouTube channel? They are all like us, one of us, right? So just to be yourself. I still remember at the very beginning, I upload just a couple of videos talking about cosmetic things I've done, and I also prepared a lot of homework thing. I watch other girls' YouTube channels talking about similar products, so I want to get more information or more those kind of experience from them. So I found a lot of girls, especially those blondies, very sweet, and talk like, la, 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 hi everyone, hi guys, something like that. So it's much higher pitch than my voice, obvious, you can tell. So that's the reason why for one episode, I remember when I was recording it, and you may find it, I talking like that pitch, and after I finish it, I thought I sound good, but my husband say, you sound so fake. Don't pretend somebody else. You don't talk with me like that. So anyway, I just realized how important to be yourself. And actually, whenever you relax and talk naturally, you actually can make your video more, sound better and also look better. Definitely can, by this way, can attract more people to come to your YouTube channel. Nobody want to look at fake people, right? So this is one of the tips I want to give it to you. Another thing is about the camera. I figure out for most of things I have recorded whatever I have needed to tell or show people. My laptop camera is good enough for me, and iPad mini is also good. Cell phone is okay, but sometimes cell phone, well, if it is truly outdoor or I truly can, want to show something I've just saying or something like that, I will use my cell phone. The reason is because when you hold it, sometimes your hand or you just can't really fix it very good. So sometimes the video shown out is a little bit unsteady. That's the only negative things I believe from the cell phone. And from the web camera, do you need to get very good one? If you want to show about, for instance, like those makeup tutorial things like those girls are doing, you need those better version one, because like this Apple Pro webcam I have and use it right now talking with you guys, you can see it's not very clear to show, especially if you want to show a detail about those kind of eyeshadow things or makeup, the whole process things. I believe a better version of the camera to show that thing would be better, or the other things will be alright, will be fine. So most of my videos, once again, I've done just with my web camera. If you use iPad mini or iPhone, you upload it into your laptop, you need to convert it and then convert it to be the YouTube version, then upload it. Like the web camera is so easy, just directly pull it to the upload of the YouTube page, and that's it. Simple like that. Don't make everything complicated, because I believe whomever make videos and upload it onto this YouTube channel, you want to have fun, you want to enjoy, you want to share your fun things with other people, right? So make too much freaking out process or complicated programs if even you don't know what it is. That means you take a video for 5 minutes and then you edit it, program it for an hour or hours. Gradually you'll lose interest into that. And I can tell you, those kind of techniques would not really help you to build up more attraction, popularity of your video, not at all. So just make everything simple and easy. You come in here having fun, right? Try to promote and blogging yourself, that's a good way. Well, that's what I'm doing right now, right? So do you need to look fancy, or do you need to dress up or make up or something like that? Oh, well, the answer is, well, no. Look at most of people on the YouTube channel. A lot of them don't dress up. A lot of them even don't make up their face. Just come and standing in front of the camera, and they still have got tons of hits, and so many people come to visit their things because they love their personality. Personality is so important. So bring your personality into your video. That is also a key point. To make some point of your video, I mean, your content need to mean something or deliver a point to people whomever watching your things, right? You don't want to tell a story or you try to tell something through the video thing and then people don't catch the points. Gradually, people will not listen to you or do not want to watch your video at all, right? And another story I still want to share with you about me. I still remember at the beginning, I always question my husband and say, do I look good? How the lights are from this side? Oh, it's too much lights on this side. Oh, my dark circle of my eyes or something like that. So just, relax, no need to be fancy. Gradually, the more you make the videos, the more you realize that point. And nobody born with magic to be a great speaker or communicator. Those great speaker and communicator or whomever make a good YouTube channel so popular, definitely they practice a lot. Look at how many videos they make and how many years they've done that. But definitely, practice is number one thing for you to do it. Nobody born with this genetic thing. Another thing I also want to share with you, like I was working as a tour guide, for 10 years, my previous job. I can tell you the first time I was standing in the big tour bus talking in front of 30 to 40 American people, I was so nervous. I didn't know what to say either. About hours on the way to the Great Wall, so I prepared so many topics about story things and everything to share with other people to make those kind of compelling contents and everything. And gradually, after a year passed by, you start to make a joke into the story. You start to understand and know about what get people more interested into. You talk more naturally, and people look and they definitely will feel and having more fun with you, right? So this is something like a practice, and the good thing I love this YouTube channel and this video camera thing help you to build up your confidence and also largely promote yourself and make you popular by this way, by making video by yourself. So sometimes if you get really popular and you can see you walk out like a star, right? Maybe some people can find you or run into you in the middle of the shopping mall and realize you're the woman talking about that, right? So this is some information I want to share with you guys about how to or can I do. Definitely the answer is yes. I highly encourage you guys to step forward, take the first step, make the first video. You can do it. Because I can do it, definitely you can do it, right? And any of you think about it to make those blogs, to promote yourself, or even think about, can I promote myself through those YouTube channel? Can I even make profit or make money through those YouTube videos or those daily blogs? The answer is yes. Actually, that's one of the things I'm doing for my internet business market thing. And if any of you got interested into this, I highly recommend you to watch the website down below. I'll leave the URL down below. You definitely need to watch it. That is something very helpful information to tell you how to make money, make profit money from this daily blog. It's very easy, but also there are so many information you also need to learn. I believe it's never hurts for you to learn more things. So that's my information about this video, and you're very much welcome and encouraged to subscribe down below. So anyway, thank you for watching.